Hello everyone, today I'm cooking a simple lunch, Stir Fry Kai Lan with prawns. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 385 grams of young kai lan, soaked and washed, 200 grams of fresh prawns, with shell removed and deveined, 50 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. All ingredients are ready. We will start with marinating the prawns. Sprinkle some salt on the prawns. Leave just a bit. Mix it until it is well marinated. Make sure the prawns at the bottoms are marinated too. Sprinkle the balance of the salt on the prawns and marinate them. Leave aside. Next, separate the kai lan stems and the leaf. Cut off a bit of the bottom part. This kai lan is very young, so all of its stems can be consumed. Cut the leaf. If they are too big, cut in half. Cut the stem in slanting manner. Continue it until kai lan is prepared. Give it a final rinse, switch on the heat, put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in all chopped garlic. Give it a stir until garlic is golden brown and crispy. This will take around 1 minute. Alright, garlic is ready. Remove it from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, add in prawns. Cook for 1.5 minutes. When prawns change to an orange color on one side, turn the prawns to another side and continue to cook until it has completely changed color. This shouldn't take too long. After 1.5 minutes, the prawns are cooked. Remove them from the pan and leave aside. In the same pan, with the prawns flavor, add in all the kai lan stem, give it a stir. Add in all the oyster sauce and continue to stir. When the pan is getting dry, add in about 40 ml of water. Stir and spread them around the pan to be evenly cooked. Leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the gravy in the pan is getting dry again. Next, add in all the kai lan leaves. Stir until kai lan leaves become soft. Notice that once the kai lan leaves were added, a lot of liquid were released from the vegetable, adding more gravy to the dish. As I prefer a dish with less gravy, I am removing some of it. This is optional. Next, add in the cooked prawns and half of the crispy fried garlic. Stir until well incorporated. Switch off the heat and we are done. Super easy and simple. Let's serve. Sprinkle some crispy fried garlic on the top. That looks lovely. Let's eat. Wow, the prawns are so fresh, sweet and cooked perfectly. The kai lan is crunchy, tasty and flavorful with lovely fragrance of fried garlic. This is a perfect combination and will be so good to serve with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.